Hey everybody, Cowboy here. We just saw some moves up in Bitcoin, and it is at a point in time in history where usually it's going to fall. However, it's not falling. So is it going to fall? Is it not going to fall? Is it going to go to the moon? I don't know. Let's see. Let's take a look at the charts and see if we can figure that out. And if you like this content, please wait till the end. You can find out how to find us, what we do, who we are, or simply go and zap that QR code you see at the bottom right-hand side of the screen, or go to www.algofactory.tech as it says right there. Okay, enjoy the clip. Bitcoin itself is possibly going to push up. And when you go back to what even caused us to talk about expectancy here, when you back test, you want a large sample size. For me, I like 200. 200 back tests is going to give me a decent statistical probability on which I can rely, at least in part. And then as I begin to trade, I'll either trade with just a demo account, like not real money, or a very small amount of money, that toy money. Quarter position size, tenth of a position size, whatever, and then I will have a real number for expectancy, right? Because I can afford to lose 25 or 50 bucks, whatever it is, on a trade. So when you look at the Bitcoin halving cycle, we've only had 3, and that's a far cry from 200. And the market is changing very quickly. Now, quietly, this has been an institutional game for years, but now it's starting to become publicly one of those. You have a lot of large companies talking about doing ETFs and things like that. So it's become evident to even the public that this is an institutional game. Okay, and that being the case, we may be seeing just a new evolution of the market. Okay, so that is why we might not want to put all of our money on this whole 4-year thesis, even though I'm expecting the 4-year thesis to hold, because despite all the changes in the Bitcoin market over the years, the 4-year thesis has held. So the probability is pretty decent. At least it's better than half to half. The probability based on my data and some other data that we've gotten from the Gorilla is that we will see a retracement. It just, might be delayed. I mean, at this point, it's already past November, so there's a decent chance it is delayed, but it's not very much delayed. If it were to fall today, it's barely delayed at all. If it doesn't happen until January, then of course that's been delayed based on kind of an average drop in November, which is fine too. The market changes. So, in that case, also, this is why I talk about tax loss season, because if you look at Bitcoin over time versus the QQQ, which is the NASDAQ, there is a correlation there, and with the SP 500 to a degree. So if there is a tax loss season event where the Santa rally ends, the market falls, people want to, play the game with their taxes. Again, not the game I play, but that's, that's what is often done, and it's not illegal. Long story short, Bitcoin and crypto should take a hit along with that, because once the market drops down, people do have to liquidate their positions to cover their losses, right? Especially those playing in the leverage game. Hey everybody, Cowboy here. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget you can go over to www.algofactory.tech, zap the QR code on the screen, get us on Twitter at algo_factory777. And don't forget, we help people become traders. We help also to put people on the road to creating an algorithm that you can automate if that's what you would want to do. You can walk away, trade, it's a beautiful thing. And limited time, $49.99 a month for the membership. We hope to see you there. Thanks.